Welcome back, learners. Do you know fractions and decimals are actually the same value? Let's learn how to convert fractions to decimals and decimals to fractions. Converting fractions to decimals is easy. You just need to divide. For example, 3 by 5 is 0.6 and 3 by 4 is 0.75, which is a terminating decimal number. Then 1 by 3 is 0.333 recurring, a recurring decimal number. Now let's see how to convert decimals to fractions. Take a terminating decimal, 0.75. We can write it as 75 by 100. Simplifying, we get 3 by 4. So these are simple, but a more interesting question is how to convert a recurring decimal number to a fraction. For example, 0.3333 recurring. Now we know that 0.3 is 3 by 10, 0.33 is 33 by 100, and 0.333 is 333 by 1,000. But we are looking for 0.333 recurring. So let me show you the technique to convert a recurring decimal number to a fraction. Let x be the recurring decimal number, which is 0.3 recurring in this case. Now we need another number where the part after the decimal is the same. So let's multiply x by 10, and we have 10x equal to 3.333 and so on. So, as you can see here, x and 10x have the same part after the decimal. Now let's subtract x from 10x. On subtracting, we get 9x equal to 3. So x is 3 by 9, and if we simplify, we get 1 by 3. Let's see another example. Again, let x be the recurring decimal number, which is 3.47 recurring. To find another number with the decimal part matching, this time we can't multiply by 10. We need to multiply by 100. And as you can see in 100x, the decimal part matches. So, subtract x from 100x. We get 99x equals 344. So x is 344 by 99. Now you can easily convert fractions and decimals both ways. Like and subscribe for more easy maths videos. Thanks for watching.